Hello everyone and welcome to another video. My name is Marissa if you are new here, and today will be another sewing design. I think I might just call them design diaries. We may have to rework that. So today I'm just going to show you the process of how I made this pair of pants. At the end of the video there will be a lookbook in how I'm going to style them, how I would style them, and without further ado, let's get into it. So in my last video that showed the process of making a corset, I didn't show the drafting aspect just because I had already done it. It was for a previous pattern that I was using for a dress that I was making, and I just wanted to make sure that all the pieces fit together, so that aspect wasn't in here. So for these pants, I used a basic trouser block from a custom one that I made last year in my first year of apparel technology. It's basically just straight out of fashion. It's not that exciting, not that interesting either. I realized once I finished making them that your inseam and outseam, whenever you're drafting, whatever you do to the outside, you have to do to the inside. So to make the pants fit tighter, you have to bring up the crotch and bring in the stride, which just makes it fit closer to your body. I didn't do that with these ones, so they're pretty relaxed, pretty loose fitting, which I'm not upset about. They're super comfortable to wear anyways. For this, I basically wanted a straight leg. What you see here is I'm making the plan based off of the basic block that I was using. So I'm definitely going to be reusing this pattern for future fits. Pretty much for anything that's going to be a straight leg. It was perfect. And that really doesn't happen a whole lot in this process. So what you end up really seeing in small scale production, not so much in large scale, don't really know how that looks, but for independent small designers, medium scale even, when they come up with a design, you have to make a sample first to make sure that it all fits. And then from the plan, tracing off the pattern pieces, this stage is my least favorite. I actually wish I could express how much I hate tracing. It can't be expressed and can only really be understood if you do it. Notches are super important in this stage as well, just to make sure that as you're sewing, everything fits together as it should, and so you don't make as many mistakes. Talk to me about notches. For these pants, I just serged the side seams separately, and then, yeah, I serged them and then I put the side seam pockets in, which you can do the pocket and then serge, but you can do it all in one so that your pocket doesn't end up fraying and falling out later, which is actually recommended because we like a well-made garment. Serge the side seams, stitch them down the side, press them open so that they laid flat, looked good, got the pockets in. This is very exciting. Everything is perfect. Literally. No problems whatsoever. The zipper I'm probably going to do 28 times to get the lines matched up perfectly. Because I was goof and decided to do it at the center front. But You can throw on the waistband, because that's fantastic. But look, you can't even see those pockets. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? You tell me. Take notes about notches. Seriously not there, as they shouldn't. They're not optional. They're not optional. I'm so mad. This is not how you sew things. So it's apparently been a while since I've sewed a freaking waistband onto anything, but this time, what hopefully may help is it'll give me a second chance to put notches on it. They're not a suggestion, just do it. So making pants is actually really quick, really easy. If I were to make these again, I could definitely do it in, oh, maybe not. I could probably do it in like 4 hours, which for a pair of pants for one person is actually pretty good. So got to the hem. I decided to just do like a rolled hem. It wasn't a true rolled hem, more or less was. So typically for a rolled hem, I'll press it up 1 centimeter, and then as I'm sewing, I'll just like roll the raw edge under so that it basically kind of ends up being finished at about half a centimeter. So I did a rolled hem and then made the ruffles for it. So we just have the finishing touches on the pants. I finished the closure just by doing a button on the inside and a hook and bar just to keep it down. I didn't make an extension for, or like an underlap for the pants, so I couldn't do the button on the front just because it wouldn't be right on the center and it just wouldn't look the same. So I just went with hiding it underneath, and it actually looks pretty good. The actual like finishing of the waistband was nice and crisp, which we always all like to see. I just cut strips for the ruffles. I do like a good voluminous ruffle. I cut double the length, and I'm gonna finish that, gonna attach them, and then they'll be done. And we'll show some looks with these pants. I'm very excited. Okay, days later, and just gonna throw the ruffles onto the hem and they'll be done. I'm super excited. It's been like 3 weeks, I think, since I started this, or started these, but they'll be done. And I'm probably going to wear them today as we go out and run a couple errands. So we get to break them in.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. But baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Out of control, out of control. Oh, it overflows. Ooh, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control. But baby,
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss a video. March was a rough one. Got very busy, very chaotic, and a little out of hand, but we should be good to go back to our regular scheduled programming of Sundays and surprise Wednesdays. Yeah, let me know if you like these videos, if you want to see more of them. Just for myself, I will continue making them anyways, just because they help me keep up my productivity, work through the ever-growing fabric stash that I have. But yeah, it's always fun creating, and I also just love sharing in my process, in how I design, create, how garments are made, because unless you sew, you're just not gonna know. And there's a lot of work that goes into it. Hope that it at least gains more appreciation for the clothes that you wear, for the things that you buy. If even watching these videos just help you appreciate it more, and also just makes you aware of the time that it takes to make something. But it's an industry that I am very passionate about, that I am aggressively trying to change and educate people on. So like, comment, subscribe, bell notification, and as always, stay sus, and with much love and much thanks.